my name is Andrew, and tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So, like I said, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Isn't that wonderful? Because first, there's so many wonderful things, like the pumpkin pie, my favorite. Well, I just want to talk about what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for Jesus Christ. He died on the cross for our sins. And that's what I'm thankful for. I'm also thankful for my school, my YouTube channel, you guys, and anything else that I love, like my family, my house. I'm thankful for all of those things. I can't forget my garden, which is in like every single video, sort of, sometimes. I hope you guys all have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and comment down below what you're thankful for. Bye! Only talking leg!